Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. And where are we at, baby?
Um,
Alrighty. So Tiffany's got a map up. She's got a map up and everything.
Endicott Arm.
There we go. Endicott Arm.
I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm still waking up.
So we're entering into Endicott Arm right now, making our way up towards the Dawes Glacier. Now it is going to depend on the amount of ice, whether or not we're going to make it all the way to the glacier or not. But while we're filming this, I also have the live going on, so hopefully that this is going to work. And by the time this video comes out, we'll know whether it worked or not. But we are also trying to do live all the way through the glacier. And then once we get through the glacier, they said it's about 4 hours, 2 hours in, 2 hours out, 32 miles through the glacier. And then after that, we're going to be heading over to Juneau, Alaska.
Yes.
So we are going to head out on the balcony, and we are going to see all the beautiful stuff. I mean, we already have mountains and snow, and you can see a little bit of ice in the water. So let's get this day going.
Yes.
So we are officially out of the Endicott Arm. I said, well, no, it was kind of bad that we couldn't, or not bad, but it was a little disappointing we could not make it all the way down to the glacier. But iceberg safety first. Believe me, I don't want, the T word to happen to our ship. So we turned around, did a little spinning down there, had the live going on the whole time. But we're heading back out, and next stop is going to be Juneau. We are still about 3.5 hours away from disembarking in Juneau. In the meantime, we're actually going to leave the cabin, leave the scenic views for a couple minutes, and we got a couple things to do around the ship. Tiffany's been collecting the charms for this particular cruise. She forgot one yesterday, forgot to go down there and get it, so she's hoping she can still get it today. Get today's charm, and then we're going to go down and meet the cast for the production shows here on board the ship. So, you ready?
Yes.
Oh, and one of the Alaska guides, the gentleman who was narrating the live video, and we were inside the passage, he's going to be down outside the theater at 10 o'clock. He's going to have some additional tips, tricks, and maps for Juneau, Alaska, places to hike, things to look at. So we're also going to stop by and see him because definitely planning on doing some hiking in Juneau today.
Yes.
So let's get going.
Okay.
All right, so we have found Tiffany in the shops working on getting her pieces for her charm bracelets. Did you get your charm bracelet pieces?
Yes.
Okay. Quick look around the logo shop here.
Folks, welcome to the Princess Theater. Hello! Hello! It is my pleasure to introduce to you our production cast, coming from around the world of true professional dancers. Please welcome your Discovery Princess production cast. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, thank you for joining us, cast. Thank you. Let's start off with finding out your names, where you're from. Let's start over here with the gentleman closest to me. Tell us, what's your name, where you're from, and a little bit about your background as well. What got you moving, to singing, to dancing?
What got me moving?
What got you moving?
I don't remember.
Okay.
Something. Hi, my name is Alexandre Lavoie. I'm from Montreal, Canada. I'm also the cast manager on board. Basically, I started dancing at the age of 5. Basically, my parents didn't know what to do with me. I am undiagnosed with ADHD. So they're like, they didn't have Ritalin back then. So they're like, you know what, let's get him to do something, and dance stuck. So I've been dancing since the age of 5, and I have been cruising on ships and working on cruise ships since 2010. So it's been 13 years.
Hi everyone, my name's Amber and I'm from England. I began dancing when I was 3 years old, and then I started working on ships when I was 19 years old. So just a year ago, actually.
Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm from the UK. I started dancing at the age of 7, and this is my 7th contract with Princess. I started back in 2015.
Hi, I'm Natalie. Thank you. I got one. I started singing when I was around 7 as well. I started taking private vocal lessons around the age of 12. And then I had my BFA in musical theater. And this is my first contract on a ship ever.
Hello, everybody. My name is Isaiah. I'm from Kansas. Yeah! I started dancing whenever I was about 12, 13, and I've been working for Princess since 2019. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Georgina. I'm from Melbourne, Australia.
Beat that.
And I started dancing when I was 5 and have been on ships with Princess since 2016.
Hi everyone, I'm Holly. I'm also from Melbourne, Australia. Thank you. I started dancing when I was 3, and I've also been with Princess since 2016. And yeah.
Good morning, my name's Adam, originally from Birmingham, England, but currently reside over in Wales. I started performing and training at the age of 14. Before that I was doing martial arts, so I traded my gi for a tutu. That was always fun. I've been performing professionally for 17 years around the UK, internationally, as well as on various cruise ships around the world. Yeah, that's about me.
So you mentioned contracts. What is a contract? How long does it work? Explain to me the process of time for your group.
Yeah, so basically for us specifically on this ship, we have a 9-month contract. So we did 5 weeks of rehearsals in Santa Clarita in California. And then once those 5 weeks were up, we came onto the ship. We had a little install process for about 2 weeks. We did a handover with our, the outgoing cast, I should say. So they were on for 1 week, they did 1 show, we did another. And then the week after that, we performed and opened all of our complimentary shows and bumpers. And then our contract ends in mid-September. So we're here for quite a while.
So we have arrived, or are arriving, in Juneau, Alaska.